Good morning, this is Elaine for Shepherd's Wardrobe Wednesday. Thank you for joining us for this style segment. So at this point we're showing, I guess, one of our favorite accessories. We've been waiting for a while to get this back in store. It's a blanket scarf. This is a smaller blanket scarf than a lot of those that you'll see out on the market. Of course, it's got the leopard print. For many, many ladies, we know a sprinkling, a little bit of seasoning of leopard print is all that you want. And this is the perfect piece to wear against your basics. So I've gone to the Nu Ideal Tunic from Sympli, the extender and legging duo, which if you've watched this before, you know I just love to wear. So the scarf, it's knit. Look at the bounce on this. It has a beautiful drape, and there's many, many ways to wear it. Very, very simply, what you can do is just take it, and you're going to create a cylinder shape with it. Okay, so you're just folding it a number of times, and there we are. From here, place it behind the neck, and already you see how absolutely gorgeous this looks. Now, if you wanted to do the classic way of wearing a blanket scarf, I'm going to take one edge, roll the other back like this, and again, I'm working without a mirror here, so just, it's as simple as something like this. So you're adding, I won't call it bulk, I'm gonna add lots of beauty around the neck and really accentuating the neckline, the face. What's also working here are the accessories. So I've gone to our Batami jewelry, and I really like this because it's a help me out here.
It's a clip.
Thank you, clip-on earring, and the bracelet, okay? So really impactful accessories, all of them. So if you wanted to do something different here, you could also just take it, tie it up. So make sure one piece is longer, pull it through your loop. Now, let's say that you want to wear this under a coat and you just want it to be very functional and warm you up. I like to fan it out like this, put your coat over it, and you'll stay nice, snuggly, and warm. And here's other ways to wear it. Okay, how about this same scarf as a vest? This is what it looks like, and I'm gonna deconstruct it for you, show you how easy it is. So take a belt. I think that one with stretches at the back is best. Tie it around your waist, so I'm gonna untie it. And then, as you see, I simply took the scarf and I draped it over the shoulder. What I like to do is that I like to take the edge and fold it inside, okay, like this. So this is what it looks like. And you will have seen this scarf on Cityline as well. And Spence fell in love with it when she was in store, and this is how she showed it on Cityline. She basically took it and just draped it with the edges at the back, like so. From here, if you so wanted, you could take one of the edges, fold it back around, do something like this. You know, and every time you work with this scarf, you're going to get a bit of a different look, a bit of a different zhuzh, as I like to say. But wait till you see it on a dress. So the tank dress, we've talked about this a lot on Wardrobe Wednesday. This time of year with the cold outside, you need something kind of nice and warm over the shoulders. And this scarf will absolutely do the trick. I want to show you two ways to wear this with the tank dress. So first of all, just sling it over your shoulders again and just wrap it like this. This is like a bow. I feel like a little holiday gift. Very, very easy to do. If you're a fuller busted girl, of course, you'll want to tie that, make sure that your tie is kind of above the bust line, okay? Secondly, I'm gonna create a shrug. So from this same formation, I'm gonna take one edge and I'm going to pop it under my bra strap, like this, and I'm gonna take the other edge and I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, and just kind of, and again, I'm working without a mirror here, but this is kind of what it looks like. So there we go. You've just created an instant shrug, instant impact, a little bit of leopard. Wow, we all need that in our life. And there we are. Hope that you enjoyed this Wardrobe Wednesday style segment. We'll see you next week. Shop the look at Shepherd's Train Yard's Ottawa location. We'd love to see you, and or shop the look online at shepherdsfashions.com.